Okay guys, small update. We can use presets on Lightroom Mobile. Finally! So a while ago I made a video of how you get the presets into your Lightroom Mobile. Back then it was still a hustle, so you had to copy an image from your desktop, put it in the cloud, then take it to your mobile application. In the application you would copy the edits, paste that on your new picture, and you would have the presets on your new picture. Now what they did now is something a little bit easier. You can use presets straight into the editor of Lightroom Mobile CC. Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop. So guys, I hope you had some fun with this. I hope you got something out of it. As a small update as I'm preparing for my other video that I'm making at the same time, but this came in the middle. A lot of new content, guys, a lot of new content. Okay, let's see how this works. Inspire, create. Peace.